What's good, family? Welcome to Sister-in-Law. Before we get into some heavy-hitting topics, I need to have a real moment with y'all. Just me and you. If I'm being honest, I was terrified to start this podcast. I've been sitting on this idea for a minute, fighting it, making excuses, because I know the weight that comes with being an attorney, and I don't take it lightly. And I know that when I speak, people listen differently, and sometimes that scares me. And I never want to steer my people wrong. But I'm doing this out of obedience. God has been nudging me repeatedly to get this information out of the courtroom and into our community. And my pastor has challenged me to always be humble, open, and transparent. If you know, you know. So I'm stepping out on faith, pushing past that fear, because the need for us to know our rights is bigger than my fear of getting it perfect. But because I respect my license and I respect you, we need to set some ground rules. We got to handle business so we can have some fun. First, yes, I am an attorney, but I'm not your attorney. Listening to this podcast, watching these videos, or sending me a question does not create an attorney-client relationship between us. I don't know the specific facts of your life, your case, or your situation. Second, this is legal information, not legal advice, and there's a big difference. Legal information is telling you what the law says generally, while legal advice is telling you what you should do specifically. I am here to give you the blueprint, the education, and the tools to move smarter. But if you're in a jam, you need a lawyer who can look at your specific papers and fight for you in your specific courtroom. Third, I practice in Texas. Unless I say otherwise, I'm talking about how things go down here in the Lone Star State. Laws can change once you cross state lines. What works in Dallas or Fort Worth might not work in Detroit or DC. So always check your local laws. And finally, here's that humble and transparent part. The law is huge and it changes every day. And while I'm trained to know it, I am still human. I don't know everything. I am learning and growing just like you. My intent here is to open the floor for conversation, to bring those beauty shop and barbershop conversations to this platform and contribute to them. I want us to talk about the things we usually whisper about, the questions we ponder about but go unspoken until it's too late. If I get something wrong or if the law changes, we will correct it together. We will learn together. I'm not here as the guru on the mountaintop. I'm here as your sister in the struggle, using the access I have to help us all get free. So take this information. Use it to empower yourself. Use it to ask better questions. But please, use it wisely. I'm honoring the call, and I'm honored that you're listening. Let's get to work.